Unlocking the Secret to Freshness. A Guide to Preserve Freshness. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might have seen on food packaging or heard in conversations about keeping things new. Preserve freshness. It's a fascinating expression that combines both the idea of keeping something in its original, fresh state and preventing it from deteriorating. Let's explore this phrase together and unlock the secrets to using it in everyday English. At its core, preserve freshness refers to the methods and practices used to keep food, flowers, or even ideas as fresh and new as when they were first introduced or created. The word preserve means to keep something in its original state or in good condition, while freshness refers to the quality of being fresh, which could mean recently made or harvested, or even just new and unspoiled. When combined, these words create a powerful concept that's all about maintaining quality and value over time. Preserving freshness is crucial for several reasons. For food, it's about safety and taste. Fresh food not only tastes better but is also healthier, as it retains more nutrients and is free from harmful bacteria that can grow over time. Beyond food, the idea of preserving freshness can apply to keeping our environment clean, our relationships vibrant, and our minds full of fresh ideas. It's a universal concept that touches on health, sustainability, and innovation. Preserving freshness involves a variety of techniques, depending on what we're trying to keep fresh. For food, it might mean refrigeration, freezing, or using preservatives. Packaging also plays a critical role. Many products come in packages designed to keep air and moisture out, which helps maintain freshness for longer. Beyond physical items, preserving the freshness of ideas or relationships might involve regular communication, trying new things, and staying open to change and growth. Let's put preserve freshness into context with some real-life applications. In the kitchen, learning how to properly store different types of food can significantly extend their freshness. In business, companies innovate to keep their products and services fresh and appealing to customers. In personal development, continuously learning and embracing new experiences helps preserve the freshness of our minds and spirits. Thank you for joining me in exploring the phrase, preserve freshness. Whether it's keeping our food delicious and safe, our environment clean, or our ideas vibrant, this concept has vast applications in our daily lives. I hope this video has shed some light on the importance of preserving freshness and how you can apply it in various aspects of your life. Keep learning, stay fresh, and see you in our next English language adventure.